ice cream cup versus ice cream cone.
Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and you're about to witness the sweetest fight ever. Let's put up this spot battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is Samara. She loves horses, but her favorite animal is actually a cat, and she sings Italian opera. Today she's dripping ice cream in a cup because it's way less mess. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Juliet. She loves polar bears, Play-Doh, sour candy, and believe it or not, clam chowder. I like clam chowder. I don't know why it's believe it or not, but whatever. Today she's repping a ice cream cone robot because not only is it practical, it's super delicious. Now it's time to meet our tasty robots. Introducing Food is Life! Let's see what our Goldie Squad judges have to say. Would you guys risk your life to take a taste of this beautiful ice cream bot?
You know what? I would want a bite of this, but I think I would ask first. So that deadly, terrifying spinner has been horrifying me since I saw it coming together. Can you tell us some more about what's involved there?
My brothers and sisters are always trying to take my food. And so I built this masterpiece. So it has a spinning propeller that has a bunch of dangerous things on it. And then the propeller spins, and so as it spins, it has these things poking out, and it could possibly hurt someone. It's kind of like a defense against my brother and sister.
Does your family know that they can buy their own food? Have you asked?
No.
No.
I have my food with specific labels saying, do not eat, SAMARAs. And so I'm excited to come home from school and just like open up the food and eat it, and then it's gone.
I don't approve of any of this. Now I see why you've resorted to murder.
All right, Samara, I am first off just so excited about this whole theme in general, obviously. This is fierce, it's aggressive, but it's delicious. Could you explain what exactly is on your propeller?
So this propeller has LED lights. The ends are really sharp. And it also has nails. It has a bottle cap.
What about the paint and the pipe cleaners there?
So this is kind of like a waterfall of drizzling chocolate and caramel going into the cup.
Tasty.
I appreciate all of your efforts in weaponizing dessert, and good luck with your robot.
Thank you.
I just want to say I love your bot. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Since you do opera, could you sing Food is Life?
Okay. Food is life.
That was really great. Can we get a round of applause? That's all I wanted. Now it's time to meet our next tasty bot. Introducing Chocolate Vanilla Swirl Twirler. Let's check back in with our Goldie Squad judges. Guys, is this swirly twirly robot making you a little bit dizzy?
My head is spinning. I love this. I really like how you've gone like really clean with the lines of this. So you've got the motor on there spinning and automating the process of adding toppings to it, right?
This is like supposed to be like shooting the toppings onto the ice cream, and then when it spins around, it looks like it's putting the toppings on the ice cream. The pom-poms are the cherries, and the confetti is the sprinkles.
I'm very impressed by the ability of the ice cream to stay on the cone while it's spinning, because I can't get the ice cream to stay on the cone while I'm standing.
Yeah.
Can you explain how those are staying on there?
It's glued secretly and no one knows. They're all gonna die.
Whoa! This got so dark, I love this. This is a great example of both style and substance.
Yes, this is a merry-go-round I want to get on and stay on all day. I just think it's so creative. Could you talk a little bit about how you attach the motor and everything?
I took a battery pack and the motor and I like soldered them together, and then I took the motor and I glued it onto this ice cream holder thing, and then that's what makes it spin.
Brilliant.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor, and what kind of cone do you get?
Well, I like Oreo ice cream, and I normally get sugar cones.
We better get this battle started before you scoop start melting. Are you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Looks like, wow. Food is Life is taking a full-on head first. Doesn't care. He's like risking it all. And he goes. And he goes. it looks like Luna's life got too cocky and was like, you know what, I can beat her. And he went straight head first towards slime pit. And the winner is Chocolate Vanilla Swirl Twirler, made by Juliet.
Still going.
And the Goldie Squad has 2 new super sweet members. And Samara gets the honor of jumping the bucket of fun on our winner. Go! Oh! Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below. If you could create the world's most epic ice cream flavor, what would it be? See you guys next time. Bye!